Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at the stock market and thought, how do I actually trade? This video is for you. Today we're diving into the top trading apps in India. Features, flaws, and everything in between. So grab your chai and let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about Zerodha Kite, the OG disruptor that completely changed the way Indians trade stocks online. When Kite launched, it wasn't just another trading app. It was a breath of fresh air in a market dominated by clunky, expensive platforms. Zerodha Kite made trading accessible, intuitive, and affordable for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. By introducing ultra-low brokerage fees, Kite forced the entire industry to rethink its pricing. Suddenly, paying hefty commissions was a thing of the past, and low-cost trading became the new normal. This move empowered millions of retail investors to participate in the stock market without worrying about high costs eating into their profits. But it wasn't just about saving money. Kite's clean, modern design and powerful charting tools made it a favorite for anyone serious about technical analysis. The platform offers a seamless experience with advanced indicators and easy-to-use features that help traders make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. Of course, no platform is perfect. While Kite is fast and reliable, some users feel it's a bit too basic for advanced needs, and the customer service can sometimes test your patience, especially during peak market hours. These are areas where some competitors have tried to step up. Still, for most traders, Zerodha Kite remains a solid, no-nonsense choice. Its simplicity, affordability, and robust features make it a go-to platform for millions, proving that sometimes less really is more. Next, Upstox, the app everyone's talking about. Its slick interface and advanced features make trading easy, and account setup is lightning fast. Occasional glitches and elusive support are drawbacks, but overall, it's a great balance of features and usability. If you want style and substance, Upstox delivers. Now, let's talk about Groww, the app that makes investing simple, accessible, and even a little bit fun. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or looking for a hassle-free way to manage your money, Groww is designed to make things easy for everyone. Its clean, intuitive design is perfect for beginners, with a user-friendly interface that guides you step by step. You can explore and invest in stocks, mutual funds, and even gold, all from a single app, without feeling overwhelmed by complicated features or jargon. Groww's investing for everyone vibe is truly refreshing. It encourages people from all walks of life to take control of their finances, making investing feel approachable and less intimidating, even if you've never tried it before. However, if you're an experienced trader searching for advanced charting tools, in-depth analytics, or complex order types, you might find Groww a bit limited compared to more specialized platforms. So, while Groww is fantastic for beginners and those who want a straightforward investing experience, seasoned pros may want to explore other options for more advanced features. Angel One, an old player with a fresh digital face. Their app isn't flashy, but it's solid, and their research and advisory services are a big plus for newcomers. The UI can feel clunky, and margin policies aren't the easiest. Still, Angel One is like that wise uncle, reliable, with good advice. Last up, Dhan, the speed demon built for serious traders. It's fast, modern, and loaded with features designed by traders for traders. The catch? Their offline support isn't as strong as the older players. If speed is your top priority, Dhan is worth a look. And that wraps up our comprehensive roundup of the top 5 trading apps in India for 2025. We've explored their features, compared their strengths, and highlighted what makes each platform unique for Indian investors. Whether you're a beginner just starting your investment journey or a seasoned trader looking for advanced tools, there's something here for everyone. We'd love to hear from you. Share in the comments which trading app you currently use, and let us know if you'd like us to do a deep dive or tutorial on any of these platforms. Your feedback helps us create content that's most useful for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest investing tips, platform reviews, and market updates. We're here to help you make smarter financial decisions. Thanks for watching and being part of our investing community. Wishing you all the best in your trading journey, happy investing, and see you in the next video.